Hi, I'm Jay Alcock from First National Frenchs Forest, and it's my pleasure to show you around this wonderful family home. Architecturally designed, you will immediately note the layout has been made to cater for modern living. Entering the property for the first time, you will appreciate the welcoming feel that radiates through all the living spaces. But what I love best though is the vast spaces which will make entertaining friends and family an absolute pleasure. All that's left to do here is move in.
Rising from the banks of Bantry Bay, Killarney Heights offers a gateway between the North Shore and northern beaches of Sydney. Steeped in natural beauty, it offers families the choice of quality primary and high schools, plus easy access to neighbouring shopping hubs.
Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any further questions about the home, please don't hesitate to call.